Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the official YouTube channel of Department of Business Economics, University of Delhi, also referred to as DB. I am Bhavesh Agarwal, Placement Coordinator at DB. We are back with another episode of Internship Stories 2021, where we talk about the achievements and learnings of the students in the summer internship program as a part of the flagship MBA program provided by the Institute. Today, we have with us Mr. Jayashil of Batch 202 who interned at Valvoline. Hello, Jayashil. We are delighted to have you here.
Hi Bhavesh, thank you for having me over here. Looking forward for the talk.
Thank you, Jayashil. We would be glad to know more about you. Before we discuss your experience at Valvoline.
Sure. So to tell about myself, I'm from Hyderabad, and prior to MBA, I have graduated in BSc Computer Science and gained couple of years of work experience at companies like Uber and Amazon in operation roles. However, currently I'm specializing in finance and analytics in my MBA.
Oh, that's great. You have a very vast background of experiences. Let's start with the first part of the talk, where we talk about your internship experience. What business does Valvoline have in India? What was your overall experience of working in the company?
So, Bhavesh, I have worked with Valvoline India for my summer internship, like you said, and they are manufacturers and distributors of Valvoline brand automotive oils, additives, and lubricants. And my overall experience has been great because I had the opportunity to learn many new stuff, and also the internship has given me a clarity on how to go ahead with my career.
Oh, that's fantastic. Can you tell us more about your profile and also some details about your project there?
Sure. So, like I mentioned, I have interned with the internal auditing department as a data analytics intern. And the company is a manufacturer of various products, and the internal audit team has to ensure that there are no discrepancies in the level of input compared to output. So, for example, let's say there is a manufacturing plant and we are producing product A. To produce this product A, we would require, raw material, labor, and among many other factors. So it is the job of the internal audit team to ensure that there are no discrepancies in the level of input of the raw material as compared to the required output that is to be obtained. So as a part of data analytics intern, it was my job to highlight those discrepancies in the data, which were then further investigated at the manufacturing plant.
Oh, that's very interesting. Can you tell us what tools did you use during your internship?
So to perform these tasks, I have built dashboards on Power BI using reusable scripts. That is, I have developed a few scripts that is developing few models which could be used and replicated for different manufacturing plants also. So majority of the work was done on Power BI too,
Oh,
apart from Excel.
that's great. That's great. So, what was your biggest learning experience there?
So the biggest learning experience has been in the form of opportunity to work with the internal audit team and understand how they add value to the manufacturing business. Also, the hands-on experience of leveraging data analytics tools to get the work done has been another biggest learning there.
Oh, thank you for sharing your experience at the organization, Jayashil. I hope students must have learned something from it. Now, let's move to the next part, where we talk about your experience at DB. So, Jayashil, can you tell us about how your learnings at DB helped in your internship?
So at DB, my major learnings have been in the form of projects that we did as a part of our curriculum. So in fact, I can give the whole credit of getting this internship, as into converting that interview to one particular project that I have done as a part of my basic econometric course. So the projects that we do as a part of our curriculum are one of the biggest things that one should not take easy.
Thank you. That was really insightful. So, as you have mentioned that you have opted for finance and analytics as your specialization, is there any specific reason behind it?
Yes, Bhavesh. As we all heard, data is the new oil, and analytics is the machinery required to drill and refine this oil. So that is the reason I chose analytics as one of the choice. And also, we are the generation that has witnessed massive growth in retail participation in the world of stock market. And what better way to master the subject other than specializing it? So that's the reason for my specializations.
Oh, thanks a lot, Jayashil, for all the answer. But we have a bonus question for you. Uh, how would you how would you prefer to live your life? Being honest about yourself or being acceptable to others? And we might to know why.
That is a really interesting question, and I can personally relate to that question also, Bhavish, because all my life I have not tried, I have lived by the first one, that is being honest to myself. Because I have a work experience of 27 months, but it is not at a single firm, and it has been split across multiple firms. The reason is that I am honest to myself because I wanted to, I never stuck at a single place or never tried to impress someone or get accepted by someone else. I always wanted to do what I wanted to do and understand what I needed in my life. So being honest to myself is what I believe in, and I live by that. So yeah.
Thank you, Jayashil, for taking out time to do this and sharing your experience. We are sure that this would help our viewers and in understanding the intricacies of the work profile. That was a great talk. I absolutely enjoyed it.
Thank you so much for having me over here, Bhavesh. Thank you.
Thank you all for watching. Share it with your peers and see you all in the next episode. Thank you so much.